Hello, my dear friends. How are you? I hope all of you is good. So again, we are back with our analysis video. So today we are going to discuss about the Jasmy coin. So there is lots of hype of Jasmy coin in last year. So this year or this bull wave, we can see a good move in Jasmy or not. So before that, still if you are not our Telegram member, you can join our Telegram channel. Link is given in the description, or you can message me directly on the WhatsApp if you want to directly chat with me. Numbers are given on the screen, so you can directly message me on WhatsApp, or if you want to join the premium channel, you can join the premium channel. You will get the information on WhatsApp or on Telegram both. So let's move on to the Jasmy coin fundamental. So overall market cap for the Jasmy coin is 831 million, and the volume for the last 24 hours is 34 million. 91,000 is the holders of Jasmy coin and 50 billion of circulating supply. So circulating supply is too much, and we are 99% down from all-time high. Its all-time high is 4 years ago. So there is lots of circulating supply. So I don't expect that type of again all-time high over $4.99 again. So not expecting $5 move in Jasmy because of circulating supply. So let's move on to the price action. So this is the weekly time frame, and weekly time frame is showing that we are at the very good level. So from this level, last time we get the good rally initiated, so I am expecting again a good rally in Jasmy from this level. It is showing that we will get a good rally in Jasmy. So weekly time frame looking good, and the volume is also looking good. Almost if we see that there is selling pressure is down, so maybe we can see some good pullback in the Jasmy coin, or good pump in the Jasmy coin in upcoming weeks. So it is a better coin for the accumulation. So let's move on to the daily time frame. If we see the daily time frame is looking very good, and it gives the breakout of trend line. So maybe we can expecting some good move in Jasmy, but the first resistance for the Jasmy is this level. So we are expecting some resistance from here, and after a pullback we can see a good move. So let's move on to the 4 hour time frame. In 4 hour time frame, scenario is same scenario, but if we see, or if we say that we have a trend line, so trend line is drawn from this level. So maybe after the taking the liquidity of this trend line, we can see some good move in Jasmy coin in upcoming days. So keep eye on the Jasmy coin, and my prediction for the Jasmy coin is 0.01 we can expect from Jasmy due to the high circulating supply. This is a very good target for the Jasmy for the 2025. Okay guys, so that's all for the Jasmy. We'll meet you in the next video. Okay guys, that's all for the Jasmy coin. So if you like the analysis, please like the video and comment. We'll meet you in the next video. Tata, bye bye, see you, take care.